Do you see these 4 lines?
Yeah.
Very good. I just need you to stand there until 5:30 today.
Great job.
Thank you.
Michael, I'd like to offer you a full-time position here.
Yes.
Very good.
Great.
What's up, buddy?
Whoa. Watch out. I gotta stay here.
What do you mean?
I'm working. Can you see? I'd love to come, man, but I'm working. I really can't.
Brown. Hey, buddy.
Hey, have fun.
There you go. Your day's pay.
Thank you.
There you go. Your day's pay. I'm raising your salary by 30%.
Really?
And now, you're here. Go ahead. Check it out.
This thing is massive. Look at all this room. You can see the bridge from here.
You earned it.
Hey, I appreciate it.
For me. All right, well then you have to let me know if this works. So that's just what's gonna happen, I guess. There you go. Girl, I'm telling you they'll work. I'm so proud.
Your day's pay, $2,000.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yes?
But I'd like to retire now if I could.
It's been a pleasure working with you two.